To convert BNB to USDT on Binance, start by logging into your Binance account and navigating to the exchange section. Click on the Trade button and select the BNB USDT trading pair from the list of available pairs. Once you have selected the BNB USDT pair, you will see a price chart and an order book. Below the chart, you will find the buy and sell sections where you can place your orders. To convert your BNB to USDT, you will need to place a sell order for your BNB. In the sell section, select the Market Order tab and enter the amount of BNB you want to sell. The system will automatically calculate the amount of USDT you will receive based on the current market price. Review the order details to ensure everything is correct and then click the Sell button to confirm the transaction. Alternatively, you can also use the Convert function on Binance to convert your BNB to USDT. To do this, navigate to the Wallet section and click on the Convert button next to your BNB balance. Select USDT as the destination currency and enter the amount of BNB you want to convert. Review the conversion details and click the Confirm button to complete the conversion. It is essential to note that conversion rates may fluctuate rapidly, and you should always review the current market price before making any conversions. Additionally, be aware of any fees associated with the conversion process and factor them into your calculations. By following these steps, you can easily convert your BNB to USDT on Binance. Remember to always use reputable and secure exchanges, and never leave large amounts of cryptocurrency on an exchange. It is also crucial to keep your account and wallet information secure to prevent unauthorized access.